Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Android box remote is probably one of the most overlooked accessories for your streaming setup, but it plays a crucial role in how you interact with your device. From navigating menus to controlling playback, a good remote can significantly enhance your viewing experience. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Android box remotes, exploring different types, features, and what to consider when choosing the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Replacement remote for Android TV Box Q Plus series. Tired of your old remote? This is a direct replacement, ready to go. It works with several Android TV box models. This remote is compatible with Q+, T95, T9, T95Q, and T95Z+. It's designed to work seamlessly with your device. Forget complicated setups. Just insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to use. No programming is needed. You'll receive one replacement remote control. Batteries are not included, so make sure you have those on hand. Not sure if it's the right one? Send us a message. We're happy to help you confirm compatibility and answer any questions you have. What we like. This remote is a direct replacement, offering instant functionality. It's incredibly easy to set up, you just add batteries and it works. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution to replace a broken remote, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who value simplicity and ease of use. What people say. Works great. The item works fine. Bought this to replace damaged original. Very good buy. Number 4. PERFASCIN Android TV Box Remote Control. Introducing the new replacement remote control. It's designed for various Android TV boxes, including H96 Max X3 and $1 Hong Kong box. This remote offers a convenient way to control your entertainment. This remote is compatible with multiple Android TV box models. It works with Android 10.0 TV boxes and supports 6K plus Ultra HD. This ensures a wide range of compatibility. The remote is incredibly easy to use. No programming or pairing is needed. Simply install new alkaline batteries, and it's ready to go. Setting up this remote is a breeze. Just insert batteries, and you can start using it immediately. It's designed for immediate functionality. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help with any inquiries you may have. Thank you for choosing this remote. What we like. This remote is another straightforward replacement option. It requires no programming or pairing, making setup a breeze. If you need a quick and easy replacement without any technical hassle, this is a great option. It's perfect for anyone who wants a simple, functional remote. What people say. It worked for us. I couldn't get mouse mode on different one I purchased at a store. Just like the one we originally had. I have a $1 Hong Kong box, no pairing required, just put in AAA batteries and it worked immediately. Seems like a good quality remote paired right up with what I'm using it for. Number 3. RE MX3 3-in-1 Mini Wireless Keyboard and Remote. This is the RE MX3, a versatile 3-in-1 device. It combines a wireless keyboard, mouse, and remote control into one compact unit. It's designed for easy control of your devices. Setting up the RE MX3 is simple. Just plug the included dongle into your device's USB port. Once connected, you can immediately start using it. The RE MX3 works with a wide range of devices. This includes Android smart TVs, mini PCs, and more. However, please note that some keys might not be compatible with all devices. Enjoy the convenience of motion control with the 3+3 sensor. The device offers a 10-meter range. It also features IR learning for your TV's remote. The RE MX3 can learn up to 5 keys from your TV remote. You can customize the power and color keys. This allows you to control your TV with this device. We offer professional customer service. Contact us if you have any questions. We are here to help ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This remote offers a 3-in-1 design, combining a keyboard, mouse, and remote. It also features an air mouse function for intuitive control. If you enjoy versatility and want a single device to handle multiple tasks, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want a feature-rich remote experience. What people say. With its integrated mouse and keyboard, it makes it very easy to run apps not designed for TV remotes. The keyboard on the back makes it very easy to set up shares and search for videos. This remote has a button to turn on or off the mouse function. Number 2. EASYTONE Mini Wireless Keyboard Touchpad Combo. Simply plug the USB receiver into your device, and it's ready to go. Charging is easy too, just use the included USB cable. Enjoy a range of up to 10 meters. Its small, handheld design means it takes up minimal space, perfect for use on the couch. Please note that the range might be affected by the wireless environment. The 7-color backlit keyboard is easy to use even in the dark. It features auto sleep and wake up functions, and the rechargeable Li-ion battery ensures long-lasting use. This mini wireless keyboard includes a multi-finger touchpad and 8 hotkeys. This makes typing and browsing much faster and more convenient. It's perfect for PC, Android TV box, Smart TV, Xbox, and more. If your device doesn't have a USB port, you'll need an OTG cable. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us for a solution. We are committed to providing the best customer service. What we like. This mini keyboard features a backlit design, making it easy to use in the dark. It also includes a touchpad mouse and a rechargeable battery for convenience. If you like to enjoy your entertainment in a low-light environment and value a compact, feature-rich design, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a stylish and functional remote. What people say. This works seamlessly and easily for our older smart TV. The backlight is bright and the buttons are mapped out perfectly. It's much quicker to type when entering name in the search bar, and it even has a touchpad that you can use like a mouse. Battery life is great and it's a good size. Very light. Number 1. Wireless mini keyboard with touchpad and RGB backlit. This mini keyboard is a versatile 2.4 GHz wireless solution. It combines a touchpad, full keyboard, and backlit features. It connects via a USB adapter, making it easy to use. Forget Bluetooth, this keyboard uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. A USB dongle is included for easy setup. It offers a stable and reliable connection for all your needs. This keyboard works with many devices. It's compatible with Android TV boxes, smart TVs, computers, and more. Check the description to ensure it works with your device. This mini keyboard has a touchpad and a full QWERTY keyboard. It makes typing, browsing, and gaming easy. It is designed for convenient remote control. It features a backlit keyboard, making it easy to use in the dark. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. The auto-sleep function helps it last a long time. Simply plug the mini receiver into a USB port. This keyboard is ready to go. Make sure your device has a standard USB interface. What we like. This wireless mini keyboard offers a touchpad mouse and a vibrant RGB backlit. It connects via a 2.4 GHz USB dongle, ensuring a stable connection. If you are looking for a compact and colorful remote with a reliable wireless connection, this is the one for you. It is perfect for users who want a stylish and functional remote. What people say. It worked right out of the box. I use this on my Fire Cube 3rd Gen. This is sure a lot better than using the remote buttons. The backlight works well and makes it easier to see in a darker room. The unit is small and fits into my hands perfect. This works better than I expected and range up to 30 feet. Plug the dongle into our LG Smart TV USB and it automatically paired. No more hunt and pecking on the controller to find the right letters. Now I just punch it in. Make playing and finding things a whole lot faster. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.